Did he wake up? Alright guys, we're here at Gage's house. And poor Gage, our good buddy, is sleeping in. So we gotta make him pay. So Cooper and Owen, his buddies, have been waiting here for a half hour in his driveway. Just woke him up. They knocked on his window. Hopefully it was his window. I think it's gonna be a good day. Nobody likes to be that guy that sleeps in, especially Gage. So we'll see how long it takes him to get outside. What do you guys think?
I was surprised. I thought he'd be an early bird.
He is an early bird normally. I don't know what happened.
Scrambling crazy.
Oh, he's scrambling. That's all you gotta do right there, fellas. Get the big chunk out.
I don't think there's anything that's going straight down. Hold on.
Gage.
On there?
No. Don't feel anything at least. No.
Owen, what do you have there, bud?
Auger on a drill.
It's an ice auger on a regular hand drill. A Milwaukee, right?
Yep.
Just something you'd use to put screws in, or drywall screws, or drill anything, I guess, right?
Yeah.
And you can put it right on your auger, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty amazing. Oh, no, he's little.
Oh yeah. Man, that's gonna be a native.
That's a native.
That's a native.
Little brook trout, fellas.
Native brook trout, not stalked. Perfect hook, no wet.
Even get your
Still
bait
got
back?
Your bait back.
Yeah, we'll let him have it. He deserved it. That's what they look like, fellas. Little native brook trout. Oh, 10, 12 inches. Oh, you got a flag up, or did you not put it down?
Beautiful.
See how pretty they are? Oh,
Jeez.
get back in that hole. They look prettier when you let them go, guys. All right, we got one. We're not getting skunked today, fellas. We don't even have our trap set. As you can see, we're in the process of getting them set, and we already got one and 2 flags. So, it's gonna be a good day.
Straight down.
Yeah, it's not even past the button. Nothing.
Steal your bait.
Messed it all up.
Beat it.
I'll get a new one.
What you got, Gage? Anything? Oh, Cooper's got one.
Man, they're coming little flurries.
Yeah. Took it, huh?
Yeah. Couple feet.
Oh, you literally took it.
Here we are, cooking some nice beer. Where's your chisel?
Back where we're gonna go fish after we're done eating.
You forgot fellers.
There's not a lot of ice, but there's enough.
Yeah.
I set my chisel down and just went ping.
Change the rock.
Oh, gravel solid.
Nice.
Yeah.
What those guys say anyway?
Is that tape? Oh, that is tape.
Yeah.
They caught a nice brown over there, and they got 8 inches of ice out there.
A nice brown?
Bass, I think.
It's schooling good. Still going like a bat out of hell. He's going like a raped ape.
Holy.
Look at him.
You better not come
Let's get this, boys.
Jeez. Holy. It's a pickerel.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice one.
Yeah. Just dead weight. Swimming towards the hole.
Get some line.
Running like the
Ain't very big.
No?
Whatever it is.
It's a nice trout.
Just pulling it in straight. That's a lot of line for a trout. Oh, starting to dance. Here she comes, folks.
You're in like.
Nice bass.
Is it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You kidding me?
I guess flies.
Not what I was looking for.
Good enough though.
We'll take them.
You ran like a raped ape.
He was running.
We got it deeper.
Damn.
Gage came prepared with his pliers.
I got 2 flies in
I forgot mine at my house.
there. Get the release.
You can go underwater if you want.
Real nice.
Native Maine bass right there.
That's a nice native there.
Largemouth. Tell by the
Good old big mouth.
big mouth, the lateral line. Probably 5-6 pounds.
I'm saying more like 7.
Doesn't feel that big.
No, he did it 9.
Probably a bass.
It's like half a pound.
Oh, somebody got a
Hurry.
flag in shore.
Where?
That's
Yours, I think, Joe.
Bass.
About the same size as that one.
Nice one, huh?
I got some pliers.
Staver.
5 or 6 pounds.
It's at least 8 pounds if you hold it way out.
You got a brookie, man.
Yeah. Who wants that one? You. First one to it gets it. Go.
That's too long for me. I'll come video. Fat kids can't run, alright? She's going like a raped ape. Oh. We'll get this bucket.
Alright guys, it's probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours into the day. And we are going to make a move. We're making a major move. We're going to move down the lake. I found a spot with some nice gravel on the bottom, and looks like there's enough ice to hold us. I went and chiseled a hole, but we're getting crowded over here. And just like when you're open water fishing, it's no fun when somebody moves in on you. So we got a bunch of traps over there that are closer than we'd even set them to each other here in our own group. So rather than fight about it or have a big confrontation, especially with the lads here, sometimes it's easier just to go over and pick them up and move. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully we get rewarded for working hard and making the move and trying to find some new water. We got a nice gravel shore over here that hasn't been hit too hard. There's a bald eagle coming to get that fish. Pretty neat. I gotta say, I am pretty impressed with this handheld drilled ice auger. This thing is pretty amazing. I can see myself getting one of these for the future. It's so light and quiet. You don't have any gasoline. And let's see if I can show you how quick and easy this thing bores through. Let's see. Look at that. That's crazy. No gas, no oil. It's quiet. Starts every time, no pulls. Just pull the trigger and it bores through in a hurry. I'm pretty impressed. And it's light enough you can just hold it like a gun. It's crazy. This one, he's got a Milwaukee 18 4.0 lithium. That's looks like he bought that battery in 6 of 13, which it's 12 of 17 now. And it's a brushless Milwaukee Fuel, it's called. So I don't know if this is the best, if they make better ones or what, but I gotta say, I am some impressed with this one. Look at that. Wow.
Definitely some trout over in here.
4 inches of ice.
Is it going? Is it going?
He's on there. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. Got him?
Yep, definitely a brookie. Jumping.
Easy spooled it.
Small brookie.
There we go. Nice native brook trout. That's a native. You got some pliers.
No, look at those fins.
Oh, we got one cut. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful Maine trout.
Wrapped up in him.
Might want to keep him, I don't know. There he goes.
Okay guys, it's darn near lunchtime, which comes at 10:30 in Maine when you're ice fishing. We've already had second breakfast. And what the most famous food for ice fishing in Maine is deer. And my buddy Gage here shot us a nice doe this year to eat ice fishing. Gage, tell us what you eat in Maine if you don't shoot a deer.
If you don't shoot a deer in Maine, you eat hot dogs.
You eat hot
You
dogs.
can always tell who's the most skilled deer hunter when you go ice fishing because they'll have this right here. It's called red gold.
Red gold. And tell us who has to cook and why.
I have to cook because my alarm didn't go off this morning. I woke up to these fellas banging on my window.
At what time? 6 o'clock?
It was 6 o'clock in the morning.
At 6 in the morning. How much you guys were going to give him 5 more minutes, right? Then you were going to leave?
I was out of there.
5 more minutes, he was out. So that's the rule, I guess, is regardless of who shot the deer, which was nice of Gage to shoot it for everybody, but he slept in, so he's got to cook it. So we're going to have ourselves one heck of a good lunch out here on the ice while we're ice fishing in Maine.
Gage, I got more if you want out.
Boy, that is some tender. Would you guys at home eat that? You can feel free. Leave it in the comments below if you'd be out here ice fishing, if you would eat a chunk of meat like that off a deer. Wow.
Hey, big boy. Hold that.
That's unreal. You don't even need sharp teeth to eat this. I don't even think you need teeth to eat this.
You could be.
It's some tender.
Yeah, you could have.
Let's try.
Holy smokes, that's tender. Wow. That might be the best deer I've ever had in my life.
Them little deer eat good. I put seasoning on it last night. Adobo. It's what I've been using for years.
You only put it on does?
I put on everything.
10 inches.
Here, I'll fix your reel for you. Why don't you jig them up? What'd you do?
Oh, shiner.
No, what'd you do to this?
Oh, the thing.
Oh my goodness, you tied a knot.
Yeah.
Wowzers. She spoolin'? Got a bass on.
No, it wasn't school.
Oh.
Oh,
There's nothing on there.
What did he do wrong?
you dropped the line.
Oh,
That slack.
you can't drop the line.
Took some on.
Wow, that sucker ran. What was it running like?
I thought it was. I saw bubbles coming up
Oh.
through the hole, but I guess it
My bait's dead.
Wow, that's chewed hard.
wasn't. That's crazy right there.
They gave you some salad though, because you couldn't get any steak.
Hey, somebody have bait?
No, I think we're out.
That bait were slaying him so hard.
Caught so many today.
Our bait's dying because we ain't used it enough.
Bait's dying of boredom. You need some bait, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's just say it's been a very slow day, fellas. You can see we're kind of just dubbing around camp, having fun. Not really catching them, but we're having fun. Doesn't really matter. If you're fishing, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're out here enjoying each other's company and learning and having fun. Yeah, talking to myself. It's a whale.
It's a whale.
It's a blue whale. What you got?
Not a thing.
Give it to us.
It's just sitting there eating.
Oh, he's on. Bass. Brown. Something small.
Brown bass. This is the anti-skunk.
Oh, smallish.
Brown bass.
You weren't kidding.
Gage's first fish of the year.
6 pounds. Easily.
6-pounder on television. Camera does add weight. It's not that much, Gage.
Beautiful.
We got some pretty cool tracks here. Cooper just pointed them out. Seagull tracks.
You know what it looks like, folks? Looks like a bow and arrow.
Yes, it does. Look at those tracks where it slid. It landed and slid. Pretty, pretty, pretty cool.
Careful, don't be bouncing around too much.
Go over there.
There's usually a pretty good wrestling match during a good day of ice fishing. Somebody gets tossed down to the ground. We got a takedown. Is he tapping out?
Nah.
Well, that's it, guys. We had to pick up and pull. We got a little prior engagement got to get to, taking us away from the ice fishing in the last hour, the golden hour. Just an hour. So, good day. Couple keeper brook trout thrown back, a couple largemouth bass and a smallmouth bass, and tons of flags. They're just kind of messing with the bait here. I think there's a lot of natural bait, and they don't have to really come to what we have in the water there. So, had a good day with the kids. Hopefully they had fun and learned something too, and I know I had a blast. If you like videos like this, guys, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep posting them.